John, welcome to ACPN. We're so glad to have you. We know it's your first year and you're our scholarship winner, so this is just awesome. We'd like to ask you a couple questions. Why did you apply for scholarship and what made you interested in coming to the event for the first time?
Well, part of the scholarship is it's designed for people who are fairly new to the industry. That was a primary driver for me wanting to be involved. Is being new, I was having to learn how to kind of catch up and educate myself in the responsibilities of the field. And all of the folks here are so knowledgeable, so experienced. They know everything about everything when it comes to data management. So it's been incredible learning from all of them over the last 2 days.
What was your favorite session so far?
Well, and I hate to say this, kind of a basic, but the very first session of the Monday rounds with the Data Whisperer, very entertaining, very energetic, makes it very easy to get excited about what's coming on further in the day. It's just a wonderful start to the event.
What's been your favorite thing about the event so far, or favorite memory from the last 2 days?
Wow. I think getting a chance to finally meet some of the people who I've interacted with before, virtually, by email, counterparts in the industry, and getting a chance to put faces to names and really make a more personal connection with them versus just the emails back and forth. That's been excellent.
What would be your biggest takeaway so far, just experiencing the conference?
Well, I tell you what, we have to actually go back to my favorite session, that first session with the Data Whisperer. At one point in the session, he put up a slide with the 30 different ways that people catalog the with air conditioning attribute, and you could hear everyone chuckle in the crowd. And it's that chuckle that can only be interpreted as a mutual understanding of something that everyone's experienced before. And in my head, I thought, wait, but that's me though. I've had that exact conversation about that exact problem with that exact attribute, and apparently everyone else has too. You know, when you're working in data, sometimes you feel like you're the only one that worries about this kind of thing, and to be in a group of people, to understand that you're not the only one that cares about it. Everyone else has the same problems, and that's the big takeaway, is to learn that no matter what the problem is, everyone's working on it, so you can always find an answer somewhere or other.
Thank you so much, and we are, again, congratulating you for being our scholarship winner, and thank you so much for applying and joining ACPN.